Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you Xiaomi Electric Scooter 4 Go review. The important things you need to know before buying the product. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing our channel for more this type of content and watch the video till the end.
And here you will see these are the specifications of the product, like product weight, braking, rated motor power, TAS, and all the things related to the product. Now let's look at the pros and cons of the product. So first talk about cons. Limited range and slow charging 4 to 5 hours. Moderate top speed of 20 km per hour. Struggle on step incline. Lack advanced suspension and extra features. Not fully waterproof. Minimal weather resistance. So these are the cons you need to consider. Here you will see the pros. Affordable and great value of money. Lightweight and portable design. Decent range of 80 to 20 km per charge. Eco-friendly with regenerative braking. App connectivity for tracking stats. Durable build. And puncture resistant tires. So these are the pros of the product. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.